Hello, welcome to Last Film Barbecue. So I watched Tom Horsman make Dorito breaded chicken breast in the air fryer. So I want to make my own. So I've got 3 chicken breasts here that I'm cutting in half just to make strips. And I've got some breadcrumbs made out of pork rinds, 1 tablespoon of Montreal chicken seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of It's Incredible seasoning that I mix in the breading. A little bit of Sang stir fry oil to wet the chicken, and then dipping them in the crumbs before putting in the air fryer for 20 minutes, full blast, top bottom. Okay, so spooning up 1 cup of mayo and then 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning from its Heaven-Made products. You can use any Cajun seasoning. I would guess that Tony Cashews would work fine with this. Just mixing it together, putting it in the fridge until it was time to eat. And this is what chicken looked like. Nicely brown, and I've lost the plating, but oh well, time to taste.
There we go. So inspired by Tom Horsman, he made Doritos chicken breast in the air fryer yesterday or today or whenever he did it. Anyway, so I was kind of triggered to do my version of it using what you saw me use, but similar and similar. Okay, let's try it. That's really good. Try it, you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.